Today is the hottest day of the year so far. It's absolutely boiling in the kitchen. But I'm quite excited because I'm making an absolutely gorgeous Hyderabadi style chicken curry. And before I start cooking, can I please request you to hit the bell button, subscribe so that you don't miss out on any recipes I share. Also, I want to say before I start cooking is that this is my take, my interpretation of the Hyderabadi chicken curry. So if you know it in a different way, that's fine, because there are many ways to cook it, and this is my take on it. So let's get cooking. And one of the things that goes in the marinade for the chicken is fried onions. So I am first going to fry some onions. Starting with 3 medium-sized onions, and I am just going to thinly slice these. Here I have got some hot oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any oil you want. And I'm just going to fry these until nice and golden. These onions are beautifully done, and I'm just going to get these out and into a sieve just to get rid of the excess oil. And I'm just going to let it cool down for 10 minutes. So I have got here, I actually wanted half chicken thighs and half chicken drumsticks, but they didn't have, the butcher ran out of drumsticks. So I have got here 8 chicken thighs and 4 drumsticks, because this is for our whole family. So 4 of us will be eating this. So that's the chicken in the... Here I have got 200 grams of natural yogurt that goes into that. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, and also have got 3 good big pieces of garlic and a big piece of ginger, and I'm just going to grate this directly into the chicken. So here are our fried onions, and I'm just going to mash them up a little bit. Just kind of breaking them a little. Oh, they smell so good. Oh. Right, and now just make sure you've covered every little piece of the chicken. Of course, if you don't want to make so much, you can just half the quantities and just make for 2 people. But I promise you want to make a little bit extra because you would want it the next day. I am going to cover this and let it marinate for an hour because that's all the time I have today. If you can marinate it overnight, then that would be amazing. Over here, I'm just going to dry roast 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, and 5 to 6 dried red chilies. Now they will get smoky very quickly. You just want to roast them. So I can smell them already. You can see they're changing color. So just a minute and so, and we're going to take it off the heat. So I have got the roasted seeds here. I'm just gonna add one onion to this, and also going to add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Throw in our chilies, just add some water, and I'm going to blitz it to a paste. Just look at that. That smells so lovely. So I'm going to now cook this lovely paste. So I've got a nice hot pan, and I'm going to use a little more oil than I usually use, because I need to cook this onion beautifully and lovely. Nice hot oil, and then I'm going to just add all the look at that. So obviously my paste is looking very yellow instead of very red, because the chilies didn't have much color. Yours might turn out to be a bit more red than mine. So I'm going to cook this for around 10-15 minutes on medium to low heat. There's still some pieces of onions which haven't blitzed, but that's okay. This has cooked for 10 minutes and it's looking and smelling lovely. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt, and also going to add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. So the Kashmiri chili powder is a mild chili, and so Kashmiri chilies are slightly milder, so they'll add a lovely color, but they don't give so much heat. So if you want it very spicy, then you can add normal chili powder, but I've already added dried chilies and it might become too much. And now we add in all our chicken. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to mix it up well. I've got it on high heat right now, because while I'm mixing, I want the chicken to warm up really nicely. And once it's mixed up fully, completely nicely, I am going to cover it with a lid and cook on low to medium heat nicely long for 45 minutes or so, or until your chicken is done. So that is looking gorgeous, lovely, incredible, using all the words. Right, so that is looking lovely. It's nice and hot. Now I'm gonna cover and cook this on medium to low heat. So 45 minutes later. Wow. Just look at that sauce and the chicken. Oh, it smells unbelievable. Right, I'm going to get one of these out. I am such a big fan of a chicken curry. You must know this if you've been watching my channel for any amount of time. My comfort food for me is chicken curry. And this smells so amazing. It's so different to the Punjabi chicken curry, which I have shared before and you guys have loved. I'm just so hungry and I'm just going to tuck in. It's so hot. I don't care. No, actually, I do care. Mm. 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 That is unbelievable. Oh boy. That curry. That chicken is so soft and moist. It's got a beautiful kick to it, which is lovely. Oh, so many flavors, and it's so flavorful. It's stunning, guys. Hope you're gonna give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm sweating. It's so hot in the kitchen today. Don't forget to subscribe. See you again very soon for another new recipe. And leave your comments. Have you tried my chicken curry before? Please let me know. Bye for now.